Soil media is a fundamental part of planting and growing. Without a good soil media, plant never grow well, more pest attack, lesser flowering and fruiting happens. So in this video, we will see how you can make a perfect soil media right at your home. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, we should know what kind of soil media plants actually like. Do they like a sandy mixture or a clayish mixture? So all plants likes a mixture that is well draining. That is number one. No plant grow well in a waterlogged mixture. Some plants like succulents likes a very well draining mixture, but other than cacti and succulents, all plants likes a moderately well draining mixture. One quality our mixture should must have is the softness. When the soil is soft, roots grow really well, while some plants do likes a slightly hard and compact mixture, but mostly all plants likes a loose and soft mixture. In a soft mixture, the exchange of gases is also good, which again aid the plant growth. Drainage and softness are the two most basic qualities of a good mixture. Fertility and pH is also important, but they are secondary and can be corrected anytime by the use of some manure. Overall, most plants likes a well draining and a soft kind of mixture to grow. This homemade soil media is what most plants like. It's well draining, which keeps the extra moisture out of the pot, saving the plant from root rot, stem rot, fungal issues, dieback disease, yellowing and wilting leaves, leaf curl, and much more. This mixture is also soft, which aids the root growth. More root growth results into more leaf growth and a stronger immune system. This mixture is also organic and natural. Microbes can grow in this and make your plants even more growing. It also contains a lot of nutrients ranging from NPK to trace elements. The pH is also normal, which helps in the better uptake of nutrition by the plant. Overall, it's the most basic yet most effective mixture you can use for almost all of your plants. Now let's know how you can make this amazing soil media at home. You will need a few ingredients. Some of them are also added in the description box to buy. First of all, we will use sand, which is known to make a good drainage in the soil. There are several other things we can use instead of sand, but nothing works better than sand, and sand is free. Use river sand or construction sand. Don't use sea sand. It's salty and not good for any plant. Here you can also subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Another ingredient for this homemade potting mix is the garden soil. Garden soil is a source of organic matter, trace elements, microbes, and it's free. If your garden soil is clayish, use a little bit lesser, and before using it you can dry it out in the sun so all the germs die. Another key ingredient in our homemade potting mix is the cocopeat. We will use a small amount of cocopeat. You can buy it from the description box. It will make our mixture soft and well draining. One thing we need in our mixture is the compost. It's a source of trace elements, microbes, and it also balances the pH. All these things are compulsory to make a good soil media. You can also make compost at home using vegetable peels. Video on this is added in the description box, or you can also buy it from the description below. You can also use a handful of cow dung in a gallon of soil media to enhance its fertility even more. Cow dung is the most useful fertilizer. It will make your soil media super fertile and hence more growth will happen. You can also buy cow dung from the description box. Cow dung has nitrogen and a lot of trace elements, and they are key to the healthiest plant growth. Here we have all our ingredients. Mix them well and our homemade soil media is ready to use. You can use this mixture on all kind of plants. It works really well for all kind of vegetable plants like seasonal vegetables, leafy greens, root vegetables. For all kind of flowering plants, most of your house plants, etc. Not for cacti and succulents. For them you can follow this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.